The iShares MSCI Taiwan ETF, EWT, is an exchange-traded fund, ETF, that tracks the performance of the MSCI Taiwan Index, a benchmark index of large and mid-cap stocks listed on the Taiwan Stock Exchange. The EWT was launched in 1996 and is managed by BlackRock, one of the largest asset managers in the world. One of the main attractions of the EWT is its diversification across various sectors of the Taiwanese economy. The MSCI Taiwan Index is composed of stocks in industries such as technology, financials, and consumer staples, providing investors with exposure to a broad range of businesses. This diversification can help to mitigate the impact of any single company or sector on the overall performance of the ETF. Another advantage of the EWT is its low expense ratio, which is a measure of the annual fees charged to investors as a percentage of the fund's assets. The EWT has an expense ratio of 0.62%, which is lower than the average expense ratio for ETFs in the same category. This means that investors in the EWT can expect to pay lower fees compared to other similar ETFs. The EWT also has a relatively high level of liquidity, meaning that it is easy to buy and sell shares of the fund. This is important for investors who may need to quickly buy or sell their positions due to changes in market conditions or personal circumstances. It's worth noting that the EWT is heavily exposed to the Taiwanese stock market, which can be volatile and subject to significant fluctuations. This means that the performance of the EWT may be affected by changes in the overall market or the economic conditions of Taiwan. As with any investment, it's important for investors to carefully consider their risk tolerance and the potential risks and rewards of the EWT before making a decision to invest. Overall, the iShares MSCI Taiwan ETF is a low-cost and diversified option for investors looking to gain exposure to the Taiwanese stock market. With its broad sector diversification and low expense ratio, the EWT may be a suitable addition to a well-balanced investment portfolio. However, it's important for investors to carefully consider their investment objectives and risk tolerance before deciding if the EWT is right for them.